Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Running Baldurs Gate 3 on a laptop depends on the laptop specifications. The game requires a minimum of 8 GB RAM, an Intel i5-4690, AMD FX 4350 processor, and an NVIDIA GTX 780, AMD Radeon R9280X graphics card. For an optimal experience, higher specs are recommended. Before purchasing or installing the game, check your laptop specs against these requirements. Modern gaming laptops should handle the game well, but older or non-gaming models might struggle. Upgrading hardware or settings adjustments may be needed for a smoother experience.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.